Good quarantine morning. Yes, I'm probably looking cray, but that's okay, because ooh, got a little, I have to fix that little piece. I'm in sleep. But anyways, I woke up this morning and I decided I was ready to like do my nails because I got a couple videos that I needed to do, and I was like, let me go ahead and like make something shake really quick. Don't mind my face. Like, anyways, we'll talk about that later. So today we're going to be getting into some Madam Glam polishes. So I went ahead and redid my nails. I'll show you a picture of what they look like before, because I didn't even record that video. Sometimes I just sit down and I'm like, I just want to do my nails. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to do my nails. So I got this Happy Meal from Madam Glam, and I'm so excited. This is their nude collection, and I'm trying to be all like sophisticated, don't mind my closet, and just trying to show you guys like what the polishes are. So we're gonna go through the polishes and see what colors we like. And this is, like I said, this is their nude collection. So what I'm gonna do is go through the colors, then we'll put a base coat on after we figure out what color we want to use and all that stuff. And I bought some holographic like top coat from a McCart, so I'm gonna try that as well. Okay, so if you guys are interested in seeing the new Madam Glam nude collection, if you're like me, I love a good nude color. So I want to see how it's gonna look. I know it's like so gloomy outside, and because I could do my own nails, I feel like I can change up whenever I want to. So let's go ahead and get into this Madam Glam goodness.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun.
All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into the polishes. I've seen like different angles, and I'm trying to give you guys a little bit more. You guys know I have this band here. Well, not band. I have this nail polish thing here that I like to use to keep up with the colors and all of that. So there is a full collection. I'm not really sure how many there are, but they did send me, oh wait, look. I'm not sure how many there are. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 10 of them, and it says that on the page. Y'all help me father. Okay, there's 10 of them on the page, and I absolutely am in love. So I ended up getting 5 of them sent to me, so I'm really happy about that. Let me make sure, because I did put my base coat, and I want to put my base coat and my top coat over here so we can use all of Madam Glam's jams today. All right, so here are our colors. We have champagne. That's really cute. And the thing I like about Madam Glam is that they put the color on top of here, and I have noticed that it is kind of spot on, but then sometimes it's really, I don't know, like I feel like maybe just maybe, you know, it could be a little off, because like this is like a really nice pink color, and the top makes it look like that, but I'm wondering if that's how it looks once it gets like dried out or whatever. And so this again is the champagne color. Let me get out my Kiara Sky little thing here, because that's what I'm going to use to cure it, but I don't want it to get in the way either. I guess I could move that. Ooh, so much going on, guys. Okay, so this is the champagne color. Do you guys want to see me do it now? Just run through all the colors and then show it? Let's do that. Let's run through all the colors that they sent me, and then I'll do a swatchy swatch. All right, and then this one is the Lotus color. So it's supposed to be like a nice little tan color. So we'll see how that goes. And y'all, I still am dealing with this like carpal tunnel stuff, so my hand is like throbbing right now, but that's all right. We're gonna make it through. And this one is I Do, and this is like a nice pinky color. I'm kind of excited to see what this one is going to look like. And then we have the glass color, which this is what it looks like. So I'm hoping this is like a frosted matte color. That would make my life so happy if that is like what it is. I promise you I'll be so excited. Okay, and then this one here is Glory, okay? And it looks like it might be a nice like gray tan color from the top over here, like a nice muted color. So I think that is all the colors that we got. Yeah, because we got 5 of them. So let's go ahead and do the swatches. Okay, so this one here is going to be the Glory color that we had. Okay, so this is like a nice tan, and here I was thinking it was gonna be like a gray color, and it's clearly a tan. So this is the Glory. It makes me want to sing. Isn't that a Kanye West song? With Common, I think that is. So I like to see what it looks like with just the one coat on there, so we can kind of get that feel. This is a really, really nice tan color. I like that. Look how that sits on there already. Really nicely pigmented, all red tea. So I'm gonna go ahead while I'm getting the other one prepped. So I'm using this Kiara Sky. I hope I didn't just get the child. I just got that on there. I'm using this Kiara Sky lamp here because it lets me not have to hold it, and in my big lamp I have to hold it, so that's a whole thing. All right, so that was Glory, and then I'm gonna set them over here in order of what we're going in, and then let's go to I Do to see what that looks like. So I'm just giving it a soft cure over here. I'm not gonna like fully cure it. Now this is like a peachy color, child. Can you see that? It's like really peachish. I was not, well, I mean, I guess I should have been expecting that, but it's definitely a more peachy color than what I was prepared for. So this might be the color because I wanted something, I didn't want something too muted, but I also didn't want something too bright just yet because I'm just not feeling it just yet. Like, I had that bright like green on my hand and I loved it. Like, it was cute, but like I did a whole lot with that. So this is what the color looks like before we cure it. So let's go in there, tap that light back on while we get the other one ready. All right, so that one was the I Do color, and I think I Do is going to be my color, but you know, I'm gonna try to be a little patient, okay? Oh, all right. So let's go in with the Lotus color here. This is a Lotus, and ooh, okay, come on, Lotus. Lotus didn't want to come out, and I don't know what color I thought this was going to be. So this is like a peachy color. What did I say the other one was? Maybe apricot. There's different styles of color, so I'm kind of interested that I put these like side by side so we can kind of see, you know, how closely matched they are, or like close to the scene they are. So I am putting a nice, you know, thick coat on here, but it does cover pretty well. I know another coat will like give us some more justice. So this one here is the Lotus color. I don't know if you guys can see that. Are my lights like, there we go. So this is the Lotus color. So let's go ahead and curate that one. Now that Lotus color might be the zhuzh. That, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, and then we have Champagne, which this looks like it would be the perfect tan color, right? Like, let's see if Champagne is gonna come through and give us the tea, okay? Because I'm trying to get the sugar honey iced tea. This ain't tan. This is more of, again, like a pinky color. I guess Prosecco Pop. This will remind me of, I don't know. This is more of a pinky champagne color. When I think of champagne, I'm thinking more of like gold, tan colors. So, you know, it's interesting to see how it sits in there. Ooh, what was that? What did I do there? Uh-oh, hold on. Oh. Okay, gotta spread this out. That could be me or it could be the thing. I don't know. So let's put that on there. And I was sent these, you guys. I don't know if I told you that already from the beginning of the video. They sent these to me to try them out. So just letting you guys know, there is a code down below so you guys can save some coinage on the polishes if you guys do decide. I really, really like these polishes. So this one is more pinky than what I was thinking. I don't know. I just thought this would be more muted. And so let's go into the last color, because I'm trying to, if you guys can see over here on the side, I'm trying to keep them in the order that we are using them in, and that's probably, I'm probably going to end up knocking them over, but here we are. Okay, and the last one that we have is the glass color. Now, I do like a clear. I'm not quite, I'm hoping that this is like a frosted color. I've seen people do like a frosted white. So let's see. It looks more like it's gonna be just glass, like literally like glass. I wonder, would you use this over something or just use it by itself? And for me, I'm like, if it gives you a frosty look, I guess it would make sense. But if not, I mean, I guess I would just, I don't know. Maybe there's like, okay, I think there may be some like pearlesque things in there. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like really super duper clear, like super duper clear. I was trying to see if maybe there was like a pearlesque type thing on there where it was getting, you know, a little something, but I'm not really getting anything from this. It's more like just a clear glassy top coat. So I guess, you know, to make it like extra clear on your nails if you wanted to, this could be a great idea for that. If you just want to rock a nice clear and you want to put that on there. I'm not really sure. Y'all have to, you know, I'm not a nail tech. I'm not a nail technologist. I don't know. I only know what I know. So I'm not sure if this makes a lot of sense. To use this and then base coat, I mean like to base coat, then use this and then do that. Like, is this gonna make it extra glassy? That could possibly be the reason why, because it's gonna make it extra clear. So I would have to test out that theory. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it on my little nail hand. I don't know if I showed you guys that. My little nail hand over here, I was working on trying to do some designs over here, but neither here nor there. Okay, so I think all the colors have been curated for the most part. So just going back over them again in the order that we put them out here in these streets. Why do I have this paper towel over here? Okay, so Glory is the first color. That's this one right here, that tan color right there. Then we have I Do, which is more of the pinky color. So when I look at it with it, it kind of makes more sense now. Like now that I'm looking at these swatches. And then that's more of a peachy color, right? So 1, 2, 3, that's the third one on there, the peach color. And then this one is more of a pinky color, and that is the champagne. And then the last one right here is glass, and it's glass. So that's all of the colors. I really like them all. I think they're really nice. I think as I build up the color, it's gonna work really well. I don't know what color I want to pick. I kind of want to do this one, but then I'm like, the third one is speaking to my soul. So let's do Lotus. Let's rock out with Lotus today and see how that works. Again, I do my own nails, so if I don't like it, I can change it. So we're gonna get Lotus out of here and do the other ones. Let's put this over to the side and let's go ahead and paint them and see how we come out. Color called Lotus from the Madam Glam color. So as you can see, like the more we painted, the closer it got to the actual like nail color. So I'm actually pretty, you know, pretty hype about that. I think that's pretty dope that it got there. So yeah, these are the nude colors that are in the Madam Glam collection. I was sent 5 of them to try out, and we chose Lotus to put on our nails. And I really like this like nude ambiance set. I think it's like really super cute and, you know, does the job. So let me know what you guys think about these nude colors, and what do you think about this holographic top coat? Like, are you here for that? Because I am. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Goodness gracious, I'm looking a little tattered up. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about the colors and everything down below. If you like them, whatever, like, I want to know. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I gotta go get dressed so I can get to work, okay? Because it's time to go to work. You see, like, this is fresh face. I'm giving y'all fresh face goodness, okay? This is me, fresh, okay? Fresh. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! KK, bye!
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I